Hi everyone. We're going to do a fun little thing for Christmas or winter, whichever, if you don't celebrate Christmas. But this is a piece of, it is just about 12 inches. It's shy of just a little bit. And we're going to make a snowman. So this is brass and it's dead soft wire and it's 20 gauge. And this bead is 12 millimeters. This one is 11 millimeters. This one is right under 10. It's probably closer to 9. It's 9 millimeters. And this little flat bead is 8 millimeter, and this little bead is just over 5. And then we're going to use this, and it is 8 millimeter. So we're going to figure this out as we go. I'm going to put the big bead on, and I'm going to put the next size on. They're not all the same because I didn't have all the same, the cut on them. I got this out of my stash of loose beads. Then we're going to put the smaller bead on. So we've got it like this. Now, I'm going to take this bead and this bead. So I've got them all on there. And I'm going to put a little curl down here at this feet. And we are going to go around. Well, I'm going to hold it there and go around. Push that back down there. And get it up here to its head. I don't know if that's what I want to do or not. I think I'm going to take that out from around there and go around his neck. I bit him. I've already got around his neck, so. I think I got carried away there. If you heard that, that's my cat jumping into the window. He likes to look at the birds. So, got this together. Make sure it's tight. Then I around those. Really want 2 up there, but I'll see how I can get it up there. Alright. I should have did one, and then I don't have enough beads to do 2, so we're going to take this and go, whoops. Leave it big enough that you can get a chain through it and go around that and get it tight till all the beads tighten up. and we can't get no more wraps in there. I think that's about it. Take it off of there. Now, he needs a scarf. And that's what I was trying to figure out how I was going to do. So if I come down the back, no, I'm going to clip this off. We'll clip that off. Get it as tight as I can in there. Then take my little needle nose pliers and push it down. Now, we've got this. And I've got to get it flat again because I wasn't thinking. Now, let's see. Wonder if these beads will go in there. We'll put him a red scarf. Now, I want this to be the front, but I don't want to hide his collar, so I'm going to, let's see, how can I do that? I can. Well, I guess we can go down across him. With that. And have it go in there and take these 4 beads off here. Have it go in there. Pull it tight. Maybe one side of the scarf. I have to go around that bead. And now I've bent my wire. Well, I didn't go around that bead. Thought I did. Through here. We'll have to straighten this wire out again. And they don't hold up to straighten them out too much, so we can't do that much. if I can get the other side of the scarf on. We might just start over and leave the scarf off. But I always see a scarf on the snowman. That one don't look good. We need more. Well, I don't know that I'm going to get this. I think I cut my wire too short. Want it to go. Well, I tightened it up so much. Alright, we're going to take that and go right there. And fold it down to where, up under there somewhere. I think I got it. Well, yeah, there we go. I probably should have left the scarf off of his neck, but I wanted to make a little snowman with a scarf, so but yeah, turn that a little bit. Looks better that way. Well, yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. It really does help out. And I'll see you on the next one. I was just playing around with this, so I thought I want a snowman for Christmas. So there he is. He ain't perfect, but I couldn't figure out how to put the scarf around him, and I guess I should have left that off and just wrapped. Yeah, that's what I should have done. I should have just left this off and just took beads and wrapped around and then hung them down on both sides. But there's an idea of something you can do with some beads. And y'all have a good Christmas, and I'll see you on the next one.